Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is explore yourselves, banking and general knowledge etc. Today I will discuss part 11 of my Path to the Corner Office series for JIIB Paper 2 Principles and Practices of Banking. Welcome to part 11 of the JIIB examination series where I explain important MCQs from paper 2, break down key concepts and provide clear practical explanations to help you strengthen your understanding and accelerate your banking career growth. Now MCQ from Module A, General Banking Operations, Cash Management Services and its importance, developments in CMS, importance of cash management system, types of cash management services, challenges and issues. Question: Cash management services (CMS) are mainly offered to option A individual customers only, option B corporate clients, option C government employees, option D students. Correct answer is option B corporate clients. Question: The primary objective of CMS is to option A increase loan portfolio, option B optimize liquidity and cash flow, option C reduce branch staff, option D promote insurance. Correct answer is option B optimize liquidity and cash flow. Question: CMS helps corporates in option A tax evasion, option B efficient fund utilization, option C increasing liabilities, option D avoiding audits. Correct answer is option B efficient fund utilization. Question: Which of the following is a CMS service? Option A loan sanction, option B cash collection services, option C insurance underwriting, option D gold trading. Correct answer is option B cash collection services. Question: Payment services under CMS include option A salary payments, option B cash deposits, option C ATM withdrawals, option D loan disbursements. Correct answer is option A salary payments. Question: Collection services in CMS include option A utility bill collection, option B loan repayment, option C gold purchase, option D mutual fund sale. Correct answer is option A utility bill collection. Question: Electronic clearing services used in CMS include option A RTGS NEFT, option B locker services, option C insurance services, option D cashless services. Correct answer is option A RTGS NEFT. Question: CMS improves liquidity by option A increasing borrowings, option B reducing idle funds, option C increasing expenses, option D reducing transactions. Correct answer is option B reducing idle funds. Question: Which of the following is a development in CMS? Option A manual clearing, option B digital payment systems, option C paper based transactions, option D cash only transactions. Correct answer is option B digital payment systems. Question: Just in time cash management aims to option A increase idle cash, option B ensure funds are available when needed, option C delay payments, option D increase borrowing. Correct answer is option B ensure funds are available when needed. Question: CMS helps reduce option A customer base, option B operational risk, option C technology usage, option D bank deposits. Correct answer is option B operational risk. Question: Pooling of funds from multiple allocations is called option A fund diversion, option B cash pooling, option C loan syndication, option D asset classification. Correct answer is option B cash pooling. Question: Sweep accounts help in option A reducing interest, option B automatic transfer between accounts, Option C, blocking funds. Option D, loan recovery. Correct answer is option B, automatic transfer between accounts. Question: which CMS service helps in faster check realization? Option A, cash pickup. Option B, check transaction. Option C, loan processing. Option D, ATM usage. Correct answer is option B, check transaction. Question: bulk payment processing includes option A, salary payments. Option B, ATM withdrawals. Option C, cash deposits. Option D, locker rent. Correct answer is option A, salary payments. Question: CMS is important for managing option A, fixed assets. Option B, working capital. Option C, capital expenditure. Option D, tax liabilities. Correct answer is option B, working capital. Question: which technology supports CMS operations? Option A, core banking system CBS. Option B, manual ledger. Option C, paper registers. Option D, typewriters. Correct answer is option A, core banking system CBS. Question: real-time fund transfer in CMS is enabled by option A, NEFT. Option B, RTGS. Option C, IMS. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question: which is a major challenge in CMS? Option A, high liquidity. Option B, fraud risk. Option C, excess automation. Option D, low customer demand. Correct answer is option B, fraud risk. Question: geographic dispersion of branches creates option A, opportunities. Option B, challenges in cash management. Option C, no impact. Option D, only benefits. Correct answer is option B, challenges in cash management. Question: CMS reduces dependency on option A, digital payments. Option B, physical cash. Option C, banking system. Option D, ATMs. Correct answer is option B, physical cash. Question: vendor payments through CMS are an example of option A, collection service. Option B, payment service. Option C, investment service. Option D, lending service. Correct answer is option B, payment service. Question: logbox services are used for option A, loan processing. Option B, faster collection of receivables. Option C, ATM management. Option D, cash withdrawals. Correct answer is option B, faster collections of receivables. Question: which CMS feature improves operational efficiency? Option A, manual processing. Option B, automation. Option C, paper-based system. Option D, cash-only system. Correct answer is option B, automation. Question: risk in CMS includes option A, market risk. Option B, liquidity risk. Option C, operational risk. Option D, inflation risk. Correct answer is option C, operational risk. Question: electronic fund transfer reduces option A, speed. Option B, cost and time. Option C, efficiency. Option D, transparency. Correct answer is option B, cost and time. Question: which of the following is not a CMS service? Option A, collection of receivables. Option B, payment of salaries. Option C, loan sanctioning. Option D, cash concentrations. Correct answer is option C, loan sanctioning. Question: cash concentration means option A, dispersing funds. Option B, consolidating funds into a central account. Option C, increasing expenses. Option D, reducing deposits. Correct answer is option B, consolidating funds into a central account. Question: one major issue in CMS is option A, lack of demand. Option B, technological risk. Option C, low cost. Option D, high efficiency. Correct answer is option B, technological risk. Question. CMS benefits banks by option A reducing income, option B increasing fee-based income, option C reducing customers, option D increasing NPS. Correct answer is option B increasing fee-based income. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share.